Good evening, Bapak Ibu.
Good evening, Miss
Good
Melva.
evening, Miss Melva.
How are you this evening?
Baik, good, Miss.
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, Miss.
That's
How
very.
about you?
I'm doing good too. It's nice to see you again. But before that, before I ask like every single one here, I just want to see how many participants are here. I'm just going to call your name. Saya akan panggil ibu dan bapak ya. So when I talk and I say your name, you can raise your hand by using the button. Bisa pencet emoji raise hand bapak ibu, and or also you can unmute yourself. Okay, first I want to check. Is Ibu Anissa here?
Hadir, Miss Melva.
Okay, Miss Anissa is present. Thank you for raising the hand. Next is
Yeah.
Ibu Cholida. Is Ibu Cholida here? Okay, because I have a lot of number participants karena kita cukup banyak, so I'm going to see how you are doing these days. Jadi saya akan men-share sebuah link Mentimeter. You can open the mentimeter.com in your phone.
Sudah bisa.
If you have already seen the screen, kalau Ibu sudah lihat screennya ada writing. How are you today? So you please click one of them. Can you see my screen, everyone? There you go. You can click on it. So how are you today? You can click on it. Okay. 3 of you have answered fine, and then 2 of you have answered extraordinary. Wow, very good. Ada yang jawab fine, ada jawab extraordinary. Wow, it seems like everyone is healthy. Thank you for joining my very simple Mentimeter here. By the way, this call is being recorded. Jadi Bapak Ibu ini meetingnya akan direkam. So welcome with me, Miss Malfa, in Unit 3, Module 2, Book A1. We're going to talking about people in school. It means like membicarakan orang-orang yang ada di sekolah. Before we go further, there are some rules ya Bapak Ibu. Ada beberapa rules that we need to do during the session. And then if you want to talk, just like unmute yourself. Or everything is clear, Bapak Ibu?
Clear,
Clear,
Bu.
Bu.
Okay, thank you. I have ice breaking. This one. Sudah kelihatan Ibu-ibu? We are trying to guess about this picture. How many holes does this t-shirt have? Ada berapa banyak lubang yang ada di kaos ini Ibu-ibu? What does this picture mean?
Petenis handal.
Ya, petenis sandal.
Luar biasa nih kayaknya Ibu-ibu TPA-nya tinggi sekali ya. Petenis sandal. Mari kita lihat jawabannya. Okay, this is the answer. Yes, correct. Ibu-ibu, there are some things that we need to have to. So as you can see, ada 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, use language expressions to ask questions about a person. Menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan tertentu untuk bertanya tentang seseorang, maybe about the job and also the characteristic. Okay, and here we are going to briefly review again what we learned, and also we are going to get a feel for what's to come. We are going to review what we have already learned in the previous unit. Jadi kita mau review, and then here there's a mini game. Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yep.
Classmate, which one is the classmate, Ibu-ibu?
Classmate.
Nomor yang rame-rame itu, Bu.
Ya,
Which
Nomor
one?
ya, ya.
The 4. Okay, let's try. Oh, it's correct. So you can later try to browse, and I believe that some of you have already opened this site. This is a table. We got a word, ada sebuah kata, and then we got part of speech or kelas kata. Maybe you can raise your hand if you want to answer second question. Okay, Ibu Halida, can you go to number 2? Let me, okay, this one.
Wordnya Mas Teacher, part of speech-nya noun, the meaning-nya guru matematika.
This one. So this is the question number 2. For this one, answer the following questions and record your answer by pressing the button provided. Jadi ibu-ibu di sini kita bisa baca pertanyaannya, and after that, like what we did in the previous unit, seperti unit sebelumnya, ibu-ibu bisa record di sini suaranya, and also nanti di download, and after that you just have to upload in the button. Let me type
Rian.
the chat box. Seperti ini ya, Bu. Okay, this one. Okay.
Oh iya, terima kasih,
Iya,
Miss.
iya, oke.
Okay, Ibu-ibu nanti bisa record like this one. Okay. I'm going to show you. Like this, kayak kalau udah ada timernya, so you can talk. Who are the people you see every day in school? I see teachers, students, a principal, janitor. Who is the leader of the school? It's principal. Seperti itu. Nanti kalau sudah selesai sampai yang terakhir bisa Ibu klik done dan jangan lupa di-download dulu. You have to download it first. And after that, you need to upload it over here. Jadi Ibu bisa choose file. And after that you need to ini dia. Ibu tidak bisa lihat ya mungkin. But like this. Dia itu nanti di-upload langsung. And then after that you just have to submit the quiz. This is about listening and speaking. 2, 3C ya Ibu-ibu. So here you're going to listen to a conversation about people in the school. Jadi ibu-ibu akan diberikan sebuah audio about people, mengenai orang-orang di sekolah, and practice speaking by describing the people you know. So this one, listen to the following instruction. Ibu-ibu boleh dengarkan ini and choose the most appropriate. Nanti di LMS-nya ibu-ibu bisa klik like this.
Hello, my name is Laurel. I work in the office. I'm a principal of the school. I talk to teachers and parents. My job is very easy.
Good morning. I'm Florence. I'm ITP. I like to do exercise. I train school teams. Our soccer team is many competitions.
The first name that will listen, siapa ibu-ibu ya? The first
Woro.
Bu Woro, okay. Use the expressions to introduce yourself in 3 different situations. So how do you introduce yourself? A, B, atau C? Ibu Halida. After you are sure about your answer, ibu-ibu pastikan kalau semuanya nanti di LMS itu sudah dijawab. And then once you're done, you just have to click submit. Nanti kalau udah selesai tinggal di submit saja. Okay, part D. This is about reading and viewing, ibu-ibu. You'll be presented with various text. Jadi ibu-ibu akan melihat ada beragam teks, and also you need to understand the main ideas. Ibu-ibu harus memahami ide pokok dan juga beberapa informasi yang ditampilkan. So here, ibu-ibu, as what I say, you will have text here. Could you please raise your hand to read the text?
People in my school. Ibu Woro, our principal, is the leader of our school. She is elegant and smart. She makes big decisions for our school. She visits classrooms and loves to hear students read. Her job.
Can you read the questions too, Ibu Cho, and also try to guess the correct answer?
What does Bu Woro do? A.
Yeah.
She reads books to students. B. She takes
B.
care of our school. C. She sweeps the floor. D. She makes decisions for the school.
Okay, what is your answer?
D. Tadi ada decision.
Okay, decision is keputusan. Let's submit our quiz. Kita bisa warming up sedikit biar stretching gitu. Here, ibu-ibu, you are able to practice your writing. Nanti ibu bisa mempraktekkan writingnya di sini. And also, you are going to use the words that we have already learned. And make sure that everyone is on the same path. Maybe you guys can make me. Like, you can need yourself for signs. Okay, when I say teacher, teacher.
Teacher.
Student. Okay, classmates.
Classmates.
Okay, gue infonya ada sekarang ibu. And you're strong. Okay, ibu, can I ask you a hal? Please, ibu bisa untuk menyelesaikan nanti this one. I also going to this one. Ibu dapat ibu ya.
Ayo student at SD 8000.
Okay.
Ya, my teacher name is Ibu. Oh ya, Ibu Ani.
So yeah, you're
She is she is friendly.
Which is Mali. Ini bisa dulu.
Oh ya. She is my teacher.
Nah?
I like my teacher because she is friendly.
Okay, nah.
My classmates are noisy.
Okay, thank you. So this is classroom English. This is like everyday's language that you're going to use. Ini adalah bahasa sehari-hari yang biasa dipakai di kelas, like simple instructions or like bahasa pengantar. So you will have a quiz again. Nanti ibu punya quiz lagi. You can just start it directly. Bisa langsung dimulai in your LMS later. This one. So I will be acting as Pipit and maybe Ibu Anissa. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna be my partner. You're gonna be Ferdinand. Is that okay with you?
Oh, saya Ferdinand ya.
Yes, Bu.
Oke.
Welcome to our school. My name is Pipit. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Pipit. My name is Ferdinand. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, I will introduce you to the people in our school. Let's walk around our school.
Okay.
Anissa, would you mind answering question number 5?
Number 5. The schoolyard is a neat, big, see, colorful. Kalau tidak salah, ada kata neatnya Bu A.
Okay, good. The previous dialogue seperti yang tadi sudah kita bahas adalah dialog yang berisikan beberapa ungkapan about introducing ourselves, memperkenalkan diri sendiri. And then to check your comprehension, this one, could you please raise your hand if you want to fill in the blanks here?
Saya Bu.
Okay, Bu Anissa.
Hello, my name is Anissa.
Okay, this one. Number 2.
I'm a teacher.
Okay,
Nah, it's nice to meet you.
okay. Yeah, like that. Meet.
Berarti nice juga. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, very good. This is about
Baik.
teaching method. Jadi kayak metode pengajaran bahasa. After we read the text, there are 2 questions di sini ya, Ibu. Are the procedures for using language experience approach easy to follow? Apakah menurut Ibu itu cukup mudah dipahami? If yes, can you please use the thumbs up? Boleh digunakan emojinya Ibu. Oke, mudah ya, rata-rata jawabnya mudah nih. Okay, this one. Would you consider using language experience approach to teach English in your classroom? Apakah Ibu mau pakai LEA ini? Okay, I see lots of thumbs up. Bapak Ibu, in this section you will stop and think about what you have learned in unit 3. Jadi kita kayak mau merefleksikan kembali apa yang sudah kita pelajari di unit ini. What new words or expressions about introducing oneself did you learn? Bisa ditulis di chat box Ibu-ibu. Strong, teacher, janitor, dan PE, friendly. Okay.
Friendly.
Friendly juga ya. Halo Ibu, mungkin boleh
Sorry for my typing.
like this. Okay, this one. Friendly.
Ya.
Okay, it means that everyone is well aware. And then this one is enrichment. Enrichment ini sama kayak how to say pengayaan ya ibu-ibu. Jadi you can have lots of resources kayak extra vocabs or like extra expression. Ibu here,
Belum
you're
nampak
actually
ini.
going to create a poster banner. Jadi ibu-ibu harus membuat poster. You can take pictures of the people in your school. Nanti ibu bisa fotoin orang-orang yang ada di sekolah ibu. And you can use the PPT or Canva. Bisa pakai PowerPoint or Canva untuk membuat posternya. And after that, you are going to introduce them like this is Ibu Leni, she is our school principal. Atau misalnya this is Ibu Sholida, she is our homeroom teacher. That's how it works. And after that, you can save your poster or banner in your Google Drive and provide the link. Can you understand that one, everyone? For the
Iya
enrichment?
Bu, intinya bikin poster ya.
Yeah, okay. And I think that's all for today. That's all. Maybe you can click the reaction button for what's your feeling. Okay. Miss Solida, mungkin is there anything that you would like to say about today's meeting?
Iya. Terima kasih banyak Miss Melva untuk pelajarannya. Terima kasih banyak untuk berbaginya di malam hari ini.
Terima kasih Miss Melva atas pembelajaran kali ini. Apa yang sudah disampaikan sangat-sangat membantu dan mudah dimengerti. Semoga juga nanti pada penerapan di LMS-nya juga berlangsung dengan lancar. Terima kasih banyak atas ilmunya.
Okay. Thank you for the nice input. Semoga lancar-lancar ya Ibu untuk keberlangsungan LMS yang selanjutnya. And then to close the meeting, I would like to quote one of my favorite quotes being a teacher. It's a teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a soul. Yang berarti bahwa seorang guru adalah pribadi yang menggenggam tangan peserta didiknya, membuka cakrawalanya, dan juga menyentuh hatinya. Semoga with everything that we are doing as a teacher, untuk semua hal yang kita lakukan sebagai guru, we can be that kind of teacher. Kayaknya gitu aja. Is there any questions so far? Like things that you want to say, to ask? Or everything is clear?
Clear Miss,
Good
sangat jelas.
Miss, clear.
Okay, thank you everybody. Kalau gitu saya izin end meetingnya. I'm going to stop the recording. And have a nice night. Have a nice sleep. Bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
Terima kasih banyak Miss Melva.
Makasih Bu. Thank you.
Dari tadi sibuknya.
Oke.
Bye. Dari tadi 1000 kali mau